Here's one for the Mopar fans. 2009 Dodge Challenger RT in dark titanium metallic. Very, very nice car. Doesn't do this one justice to call it black because you got to see the dark charcoal on this and that metallic flake in it. And then, of course, as you can see down the sides, has the flat black RT stripes. That is reflection off the neon light you see in that flat black stripe. So very nice luster to this car. Very nicely equipped car. It's running the 5.7 liter Hemi underneath the hood. If I remember right, they put out about 370 horse and I think a little under 400 pound-foot of torque. So they will get up and move. This one is paired with an automatic transmission, so don't have to worry about shifting. As you can see, the nice polished wheels on there. This one has leather interior, power driver's seat. Pretty nicely equipped car. Take a look at the interior from this side, and I'll slip around to the other so you don't get the glare from the sun. One cool thing about this car is you can see it's got the side dump exhaust on it. Kind of that classic 70s SCCA racing style exhaust. Looks very good on this car. Nice sounding car. Not a bunch of modifications to it. This car has been well maintained. Spent its life in Iowa till being traded to us. Clean Carfax. I don't see anywhere in the car where there's been any paint work. Like I said, clean Carfax, no accidents reported. Confirming the miles. Miles are slightly over 54,000. I believe it's like 54.4. We'll take a look at the odometer when I pop it open for you too. Not a bunch of nicks, scratches, dings. Like I said, just a very well maintained, well cared for car. If you want to check out the still pictures, see the underside of the car, the interior pics, any still pics of the car, those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too if you'd like to inquire about this car. 507-386-1726. That's how you can get a hold of us. Go ahead and pop this door open for you and we'll fire it up too so you can hear it. There is the stock floor mats here. There is also a set of nice Dodge kind of rubber floor mats in the trunk I got pictures of at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the seat here. You can see it's not all worn in the bolster or where so many of them get worn getting in and out. The interior is in very nice shape. As you can see here, also has the power moonroof. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. I'll show you how sunroof works too. It's on the kind of vent setting right now. Let's go ahead and start this up. Take a look here. You can also slide this all the way back there too. And this is a factory one. It's not an aftermarket or anything like that. So, and then you're just back to your vent setting, or wide open. All right. I'll also show you the sunshade in case you don't want that. You can close it up too. Factory stereo system. Okay, got the pistol grip shifter added on there. Here's the miles, 54,402. No warning lights, anything like that. Just that I don't have the seatbelt on. Slip around so you can hear this car. Sounds very good. Oh, one other thing too. Oil pressure and the volts gauge added on the A-pillar. Professional installation. Very nicely done. And as you can hear, nothing crazy with that exhaust. Just a nice side dump. You can see how they do that. It's actually a very nice exhaust setup. I think it's stainless too, if I remember right. Check out those still pictures. I got the underside of the car so you can see how that works. So 2009 Dodge Challenger RT, a little over 50,000 miles. Dark titanium metallic. Beautiful car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Go check out those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com.